Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to a brand new series that I'm going to be launching on this channel. It's a review on this developer roadmap website. So whether you're trying to break into tech, maybe you're switching careers, or maybe you're strengthening your existing skills, this resource is incredibly valuable. Honestly, if I didn't have a computer science degree, I wish I had something like this in order to guide my learning. If you do have a degree, this series can help you fill in those gaps that traditional programs might not always cover. With this growing age of AI, some of you might be thinking, why would I need this? AI can do everything for me. I'm a big advocate of using AI in your workflows, and I certainly do use AI quite extensively. However, if you don't know the basic skills or the foundational knowledge in order for you to utilize AI to its effectiveness, then you aren't going to be able to know what questions to ask. So something like learning about how the internet works, learning what stores are, why would you use React, why wouldn't you use React, why would you use Angular, what's the difference between mobile websites and desktop versions. This is a great resource that goes over every single little detail of what you need to know in order to be a developer. I'm not here to waste your time, and my goal is to give you practical, modern knowledge that will genuinely help you become a stronger developer and prepare for real-world jobs. Maybe your school teaches industry-relevant content, maybe they don't. Maybe you're confident in your skills, or maybe you don't know where to start. This series is meant to add to whatever your path that you're already on, and hopefully give you some clarity and direction and confidence for you to go find a job in the tech world and make a lot of money. So if you're new here, my name is Roderick Cabalba, also known as RJ the Computer Doctor. I have a PhD in computer science, and I work as a AI research engineer making websites, chatbots, data visualizations for all the use cases that you can think of. And I've also had experience in the past working as a software engineer for a laboratory making data visualizations for websites. I have the status in order for me to become a professor at a university, and I've also designed curriculums for video game design, virtual reality, and augmented reality. So I've taught courses at the university when I was doing my master's even, and I've also tutored for Java. So I have like all of this years of knowledge and teaching, and I just want to bring that experience to YouTube and make it free for people to use. Okay, so what are we going to be covering within this series? So basically, we're going to be going over this developer roadmap, and this goes over all the topics that you need to know in order for you to be an effective developer when you go to find a job. This goes over front-end, back-end, full stack, DevOps, data analyst, AI engineer, and so on. There's some topics that I'm most likely going to skip, so maybe things like Android, iOS, blockchain, and cybersecurity. These are areas that I don't have a lot of experience in. I'm just going to skip those. Yeah, so everything that I do teach you will come from hands-on knowledge and practical use that I've used when working with each one of these topics in the past from my experience. And yeah, so I'm excited to walk through this journey with you. And if you find this helpful, please subscribe. It supports the channel. Your subscription genuinely makes a difference. So this motivates me. If I see people subscribing to this channel, this will motivate me to make free content like this that hopefully millions of people can use. So if you do know someone who wants to up their skills in becoming a software engineer or AI engineer or whatever you want to do with your career in the future, please share this channel, like this video if you want this series to be successful. I hope that this content will give you all the information that you need, and we're going to be starting from the bottom of what is computer science. So this will probably be the first series, and hopefully I can get all of this content down in under an hour. Yeah. Thank you again for watching this video. So let's get on with the series.